waste bowl like this and put some water in it. Now pour some glue. Mix well like this. Now put cutted waste newspapers. I have added all the newspaper pieces. Then leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take the paper, crush like this, roll like this, and now we got the spear shape. Like this we can make it for another piece of paper. Now I make more small balls here. Let it dry for 1 day. I am showing it after a day. It's dried very well. Now we can make this colorful by painting it. Do same like rest of the balls. Now our paper beads are ready. I made this bangle with these homemade beads. You can use these beads for any craft. It depends on your creativity. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Bye bye.